Hi, welcome to my channel, Chassis Embassy. Today, we shall be talking a little bit about the history of Ghana's currency. Yes, the Ghana Cedi has been performing notably against its major trading currency, especially the USD, the British pounds, and that of the euro and other currencies in the world. It has moved from an exchange rate of 15.5 Ghana cedi to the dollar to 10 Ghana cedi to the dollar. And it has become one of the world's most performing currency on the planet Earth. But let's talk a little bit about the history of Ghana's currency. Before independence, in 1957, Ghana used the British West African pound, which was tied to the British currency. In 1958, Ghana introduced its own currency, that is after independence. That is the Ghanaian pounds, which was equivalent in value to the British pound sterling in Ghana. It was divided into 20 shilling and each shilling into 12 pence. In 1965, the Ghanaian pounds was replaced with the cedi under President Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana. The new currency, the cedi, became the first fully decimalized currency in Africa. It was subdivided into 100 pounds. One Ghanaian pounds was equal to 2.4 Ghanaian cedis. Then in 1967, after the 1966 coup, a new cedi was introduced in 1967 to remove Kwame Nkrumah's image from the currency. This second cedi maintained the same value but marked a fresh start politically. Through the 1980s and the 1990s, Ghana experienced persistent high inflation. The value of the cedi plummeted with everyday items costing thousands or even millions of cedis. In the late 1990s, the government removed smaller coins denominations due to their insignificance in value. Now let's look at the major redenomination of the Ghanaian currency in the year 2007. The redenomination was introduced by the Bank of Ghana under the leadership of the governor, Dr. Paul Akwa. The objectives at the time were to simplify transaction, accounting, and cost of carrying money, to restore confidence in the currency after decades of inflation, and to enhance the efficiency of payment systems. The key features of the redenomination, effective 1st July 2007, are thus: 4 zeros were removed from the existing cedi. That is 10,000 old cedis became one new Ghana cedi. The new currency retained the same or retained the name cedi or GHCD and pesos to become one Ghana cedi was equivalent to 100 pesos. The conversion rate was that one Ghana cedi was actually 10,000 old cedis. An example is that if you have 100,000 old cedis, it will give you 10 Ghana cedis because 4 zeros has been taken away. What happened after the redenomination developments? What happened after the redenomination? Initially, the redenomination was well received and helped stabilize the economy. However, inflationary pressure returned over time. Despite this, the redenominated Ghana cedi remains in use today, though it continues to experience depreciation against major foreign currencies like the USD. Let's look at the currency design and symbolism. The new currency notes featured key national figures and landmarks. The symbol GHCD was adopted for the new currency to distinguish it from the old cedi. In conclusion, therefore, Ghana's redenomination policy in 2017 was a bold economic reform that responded to the legacy of hyperinflations and currency devaluation. By removing four zeros, it simplified financial transactions and aimed to restore confidence in the local currency. While the redenomination provided short-term benefits and modernization, long-term fiscal discipline and structural reforms remain necessary to preserve the value and credibility of the Ghana cedi. In the part 2 of this discussion, we shall be talking about the effects of this redenomination on the exchange rates. Thank you.